Hey, you made it. Come on in. We'll find a two-piece bathroom here. We've got our laundry room with a separate tub. Plenty of space for storing. And just to your left here, we've got a two-car garage. Follow me to the kitchen. A wonderful, spacious kitchen with island, stainless steel appliances, a nice triangle for cooking. Our island has power already built to it. Let's take a look at this dining room. Plenty of space to host family gatherings, as well as a getting together with the family here in this living room with spectacular views of our Fraser Valley North Shore Mountains. Natural gas fireplace, built-in shelves. Let's take a look upstairs now. So we're on the very top level. In fact, we're in the master bedroom. Plenty of wall space, room for a king-size bed, and then some. Let's check out this amazing bathroom they have. Beautiful soaker tub, separate shower, his and her sink. What more can you ask for? That's right, you want a walk-in closet. Here you go. Get on in there, because there's much, much more. Three additional bedrooms are found on this floor. And the last one, have a look. And let's check out one of the many bathrooms found in this home. This bathroom features 3 pieces, a shower tub combo as well. You might not be able to feel it through the video, but we have heated flooring. We're on the lowest level here at Bassano 5. Take a look. What would you do with this space? We've got here a storage area. Let's check out our first bedroom. Wonderful view of our Fraser Valley still. Lots of space for a queen-size bed. And check out this cool part. Let's get out of here. Come on, let's check out our other bedroom. And the main living space. How would you use this space? Big family room theater area. We have a natural gas fireplace to keep everybody warm and cozy when they're all snuggled up together. Great place for electronics and storage. Have I shown you the suite yet? Now, Bassano 5 might just have one of the biggest one-bedroom suites I've ever seen. If you want a soaker tub, the suite has it. And a nice sizable bedroom with a great walk-in closet. On top of that, in-suite, full-size washer and dryer. Is this the biggest one-bedroom suite you've ever seen? I'm Jesse.MacIver from Century 21 Creekside Realty. Thank you for joining us on this tour. If you want more information on this property, visit www.bassano5.info for more. Thank you.